Alright, so I got these Auxbeam lights from, of course, Auxbeam. These are the fog lights that we're going to be putting on the BRZ. The fog lights on these is not very good. So let me go show you how that looks. So they're yellow and they look fine, but of course we want it to match the white LED kind of look. A lot of new cars, everything's LED, so we're gonna have to change this out. So let's do that. So to give us more room to work, I'm just gonna air up the car. Oh, we just removed these two little bumper tabs. Then you can squeeze your hand in here, remove the little bulb right here. So this is how it looks. Be careful. You can already tell like it's getting kind of yellow. And we have the new piece right here. And if all goes well, it just clips onto place. I hope. There you go. But of course you want to make sure it works because I'm not sure if it works. Yay! Squeeze it back in here. There you go. So it's clipped in, and you can look at this side right here. So once it's clipped in, just gotta, it's real easy. Fold this piece back in. Oh, this one goes out on the outside. That's it. These two clips. So it should take you about literally maybe 2 minutes on each side if you're fast. What do you think? Looking better? Now, of course, is it more usable as a fog light? Aesthetically, it's a lot more pleasing. So a good look of how to install it on this side. You got two screws that we're going to remove. So yeah, it's a little bit bluer than the yellowish white, but definitely it looks crispy. Yeah, super easy install. Took 2 minutes on the left side, another 2 minutes on the right, and then you got Kim flexing right there. But yeah, that's a wrap. Auxbeam, easy. And look at, man, look at this. This is something you want. Come on, man, it's 2018. Thanks for watching. That wheel gap though. Don't worry, it's on air suspension. Peace out. Ha